everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Saswati. So today is Christmas, it's the 25th of December and I'm going out with a few of my friends. So I'm getting late already. I'm waiting for another friend of mine who's coming over to my place and we're going together, but then I don't know where she is. She's not picking up her call. But I hope she'll be here any day and I'm getting late, so I need to go. I'll see you. So I'm waiting for my friend. She hasn't arrived yet, but she is on her way. So I'll be meeting these people, well, some of my friends after so long. The last time that I saw them was in March during my board examinations and I haven't met them since. So we kind of made this plan that let's, meet. And I'm on my way. They're waiting, the other people, the other guys, they're waiting at the search. But I'm waiting for my friend and we will go together. So yeah. I hope to have a good day today. It's like after so long that I'm going out. So yeah. If you're interested in what I'm wearing, this is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing these jeans, this sweater and this scarf. That's about it. But it's kind of good, I mean. So I finally met my friend. This is Sanskruti. You'll see her later on. तो mask खुली रखा है so. So you'll see her later on and probably in the photos. Now we're going to this archaeological excavation site, which is in Ambari. I have signed up to write an article on that for my college, so I just did the pictures. Excavation site in Ambari. So the last time that I visited this site, it was quite in a dilapidated condition, but now I see that they have removed all the shrubs and bushes and everything, and they have cleaned the site. But there are only the walls, so you cannot really see anything much other than that. But I'll try to show you how this exactly looks. So I've signed up for this article writing at my college for the History Society, and so I'm kind of like reporting on this particular site, which is why this is, as you can see, this is the archaeological site. These are my friends, these people. This is pretty much the site. And there is a small museum, that the Assam type house that you see. That is a museum, but it's closed right now, so we'll not be able to enter. But then this is pretty much the site. This is how this looks. This excavation site is the first in Northeast where evidences from the Kushana Shunga period was found. So, and it belongs to the culture of ancient Kamrupa. I really like visiting these archaeological sites. introduced. I haven't introduced my friends yet. This is Sanshriti. This is Farhan. Professional what? Idiot. Professional. This is Farhan, aka Professional Idiot. This is Chinmoy.
Hello.
And this is Dishanto.